Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video on automobile reviews. As you all know, Mahindra has recently launched its Thar 2020, which is outstanding in looks, the design, the performance, almost all the aspects. So today I am here at Mahindra Karnataka Agency's Hassan to review and show you all the things of the new Thar.
This new Thar obviously looks different from the old one, and also it's massive in size. This Thar is available in 3 variants: AX, AX Optional and LX. But this one is the LX top end model with hardtop. You also get in soft top and also soft top convertible. It's almost 94 mm wider than the old one, and at the bottom you get halogen fog lamps. Here is a small LED DRLs with turn indicators, bigger sized halogen headlamps, Mahindra logo at the center, and very bold looking radiator grills, and it gets a very strong bumper with Thar written on that. These are the bonnet opening latches. Front wheel cladding with black treatment and also with a turn indicator. These are the 18-inch deep silver alloy wheels with all-terrain tubeless tires, and also there is 16-inch steel wheel option available. It gets disc brakes at the front and rear drum brakes. Yamaha 130 badging and a functional antenna. Side footsteps. Electrically foldable mirror. LED tail lamps and also Thar badging on that. Rear reflectors, and the additional spare wheel is mounted on the tailgate. This is how the new Thar looks from the rear. And here it gets 4x4 badging. And one additional feature in this new Thar is that it gets reverse parking sensors. Now let's open the tailgate. So it's a rear windshield, you can also lift it up. There's also high mount stop lamp. So there is no much space at the rear, and these rear seats are foldable. It's a roll cage. And as you can see, this is what the space you get when seats are open. It has 226 mm of ground clearance, and it can go up to 650 mm underwater. And coming to the dimensions of this vehicle, it's 3.9 meters in length, 1.9 meters in height, and has 1800 kg of curb weight. These doors are smooth and doesn't make any sound while closing as that of the previous Thar. Thar badging on that. And also get bottle holders. So these doors can be removed by unscrewing for off-roading purpose. And also this interior is dust and water resistant, and also the floor is washable. There is some vehicle information here. One speaker, a small glove box, grab handle, AC vent with chrome finish, passenger side vanity mirror, rear view mirror, and driver side sun visor. And this is the hard top. You get one reading lamp and 4 speakers. And this is how the rear seats look. You get 2 seats with adjustable headrests. To get into the rear seats, we have to fold the front passenger side seat. You get a hook, and these seats are comfortable and you get sufficient amount of legroom and knee room, but this wheel arch is quite disturbing here. Coming to the driver side door, it gets same black treatment. Get some space and bottle holder, mirror adjustment control. It gets fabric upholstery seats which are very comfortable, and this driver seat gets height adjustable option. Pedals, speaker, headlight level adjustment, traction control, hill descent controls, AC vent, and this instrument cluster gets 2 analog meters and a small multi-information display at the center. This is the speedometer and the RPM meter. It is a good looking hydraulic power steering wheel which also has tilt adjustable option. You get call and audio controls here, Mahindra logo at the center, and cruise control. Headlight and indicator control, and wiper control to the left. Coming to the infotainment system, it gets 7-inch touchscreen display which is also waterproof to some extent. It supports navigation, FM, Bluetooth, voice control, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and also provide off-road statistical information on that. Below that you get 2 AC vents and AC controls, and here you get airbag on off button, hazard light switch. Under that you get 2 USB ports, one aux port and one 12-volt charging port. Some space, and this is the 4-wheel gear, and this is the main 6-speed manual gear knob. Front power window controls, handbrake and 2 cup holders. Even though it's an off-roading vehicle, it gets a lot of safety features like 2 airbags, ABS, EBD, brake assist, central locking, tire pressure monitoring system, rear parking sensors, ESP, rollover mitigation, ISO fixed child mount, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, and also hill descent control. This new Thar is also available in petrol option, but this one in the video has 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged Yamaha 130 CRDE diesel engine which has 130 horsepower and delivers 300 Newton meters of torque. The average mileage of this Thar is around 15 kmpl and has 57 liters of fuel tank. It gets a lot of engine options with petrol and diesel variants and also with manual and automatic transmission. If you need more information about the variants, you can check out the link given in the description box. And also there are 6 color options like red, copper, grey, black, beige and aquamarine. And finally the price ranges from 11 lakhs to 16 lakhs on road, and particularly this variant with manual diesel hardtop costs about 16.25 lakhs. There's one latest news on this new Thar, that it secured 4-star safety rating from the global NCAP crash test, which proves the build quality of this and makes it one of the safest SUVs in India. And guys, if you are interested in planning to buy, you can contact Karnataka Mahindra Agencies, Hassan. The contact details are given in the description box. For more automobile videos, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.